Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The small garden in front of my house is the result of my favorite hobby gardening. Gardening is my favorite hobby. I think it is the best of all the hobbies which one can follow with a lot of amusement and benefit to health. I have laid out a smaller of amusement and benefit to health. I have laid out a smaller garden in front of my house. When I sit in my smaller garden, a great player. Sweet, fragrant flowers of different hues sweeten as my mind. It helps me in many ways. While working in the garden, not only do I spend my time in a better way, but also improve my health as thus I spend my time in better way, but also improve my health as thus I take exercise unwillingly. It brings me close to nature and I feel lost like Wordsworth in the beauty of lawns and blooms around me. The garden in front of my house is small, no doubt, but even then I am proud of it because it is the result of my own hard labor. There are smaller beds of flowers in which I grow um, many plants around me. They are in front of my house, no doubt, but even I am proud of it because it is the result of my own hard work. There are small beds of flowers in which I grow seasonal flowers, and when the plants bear blossom, any of my friend asks me anything about sowing and maintaining of plants. I give him information with elated feeling. Surroundings by the beds of lawn in a smaller lawn with soft velvet garden grass. I am very fond. Thanks for watching.